Welcome to DeepMind AI. Today, this will be our second session in which we will be talking about how we can create animated stories less than 15 minutes. As you know, friends, the viewership and subscriptions of animated stories videos are drastically increasing. There are millions of viewership in YouTube. You can also create animated videos less than 15 minutes. So without wasting time, let's dive into how we can create animated videos by using AI. If you do have your own story, that's perfect. If you don't have your own story, you can ask ChatGPT. It will create a story for you as well. Once you will have your story, as in this case I have my own story, so first what I have to do, I have to go to AnyMaker AI. As you can see, the top link will pop up on your screen and you can click on the link. And I will also insert this link in description so you can directly access this link as well. So you can access AnyMaker by Google account. Once you will be on dashboard, the screen look like this. As you can see, there are already some pre-built templates as well, but we are going to start from scratch. We are going to create video, so all we have to click on create, then create a video. Now we will come up with this screen. So as I told earlier that we are going to start from scratch, so all we have to click on create a blank project. As you are watching, this video is 16 by 9, best for YouTube, and you can create 9 by 16. This will be good for other social media or YouTube shorts, but I'm going to use 16 by 9. As you are watching this video, this is 16 by 9. Now we are on dashboard. As you can see, we have different options. First, you can see we have character, we have different templates, properties, text and background, everything we have left side. So first we need background. So I'm going to search for background. Here you will come up with this option. You can generate your own background by using AI, or you can search the background which you want. So in this case, I want sitting room. We are searching the best background for sitting room, so I'm going to go with this one. This looks amazing. So now I need some characters who will perform some action here. For that, we are going to click on character, and I need a baby girl. I'm going to click on this one. Now as we click, it will show on main screen, and as we click on the animated picture, we have here some action. So what kind of action the baby will perform? So she will be sitting and crying, calling for her mom. So we have to make her sit. So all I have to search sitting in action here. We have to search the right sitting position, then we have to click on that. And now we can adjust and make her sit on this couch. This is just perfect. Now if we go back here and we have to click again on baby picture, we have some expressions. So baby is crying, so we need to select the face for crying. Perfect. Now we need her mom. As baby cries, her mom comes, so we need to search for her mom. I'm going to select this one. And what action her mom is going to perform? She is coming to the room as baby cries, so she will be walking. So action she will perform, we have to click on avatar. All we have to come here action, and we have to we have to describe what action she is going to perform. So she will be walking in, so all we have to search walking. Perfect. Now we have to flip the avatar towards baby. So all we have to do, we have to click, if you can see the top 3 dots, all you have to click here and you will find flip option here. So click on flip. That's perfect. Now we have to make her invisible. As baby will start crying, she will come to the room. Now we have to click on her mom's picture, then we have to click on action plus. When she will come to the room, what action she will perform. So when she will come to the room, she will also sit on next seat which is available. So all we have to click action plus. Now click on plus, and what she will do after walking. Perfect. We have successfully added action plus as well. And now if you see, if you come down, we have to increase her walking limit. So from here, if you can see the bottom side, you can increase her walking. So far everything seems perfect. Now we need voiceover, we need lip sync. So in order to create voice, we are going to use 11 labs. So just search 11 labs. You will also find the link in description as well. So now we have to enter the story. Here I'm going to insert my own story. As you can see, we have inserted baby is calling her mom because she is starving and asking her mom to bring something for it. So we have to adjust the voice setting accordingly. All we have to do, generate the voice for baby. Okay, all we have to do, download here. And now we are going to create her mom response. So I'm going to insert her mom's story. As we have inserted text, her mom shows sympathy for her little baby because she is starving. So let's generate her dialogue. All we have to choose the actor and just generate the voice. So we are going to create the second scene. For second scene, all you have to click add a scene. Again, you have to add your characters. First we need the background. This time I'm going to use dining room. I think this one is perfect, so I'm going to select this one. So we need the same characters. Expression, we need to make her happy. Now she has her food, now she's happy. And now what do we have to do? We have to add some food on table. For that, all we have to do, we have to come here, property, and we have to search some kind of food. Okay, we add popcorn for baby. Her mom is also sitting. We need to make her flip, and expression, kind of love for her. She's feeling love for her baby. Now we need one more thing. We need to make it more like home. So they have a pet cat. We need to add some movement for cat, so we can see the cat's movement. This is perfect. Now all we have to do, we have to add the voice over. So for that, all we have to do, we have to click on baby, lip sync, and we have 3 options. We can record our own voice, or we can insert text, it will generate a speech for us, or we can upload our own voices. So we already have generated the voices by using 11 labs. So all we have to do, we have to upload the voices. For that, first we have to check the voices.
Mom, come here. I am starving. Bring me something to eat.
This is perfect. The voice for baby. And mom, lip sync, upload.
I am coming, my baby. Are you starving, my little baby?
Mom, come here. I am starving. Bring me something to eat.
Okay, now we have successfully added the voices for first scene. Now we have to click on the second scene, and now we need to add the voice for this as well. As the baby feels happy and she saying thanks to her mom, so we have to click on the baby, click on lip sync, upload the voice.
This is so delicious. I love thank you, Mom.
So we have this voiceover for baby, so we have to double click on that. The voice has been added. Let's check.
Woo, Mom. This is so delicious. I love thank you, Mom.
Everything is perfect. We have added voices. If you want, you can add background music as well. And now all you have to do, you have to click on publish here and download videos. I'm going to make it HD 720p and just click on download. It will take a second and our final video is absolutely ready. Now let's watch our final product.
Mom, come here. I am starving. Bring me something to eat.
I am coming, my baby. Are you starving, my little baby?
Woo, Mom. This is so delicious. I love thank you, Mom.
Please share, subscribe our channel DeepMind AI. Thank you so much for watching this wonderful video.